Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use remote sync to sync local and remote directories on Linux. First of all, you can install the remote sync package with the help of the following command. The syntax for remote sync operates similarly to other tools, such as SSH, SCP, and CP. First, change into your home directory by running the following command. Then create a test directory. And create another test directory. Now add some test files. There's now a directory called Green1 with 100 empty files in it. Confirm by listing out the files. You also have an empty directory called Green2. To sync the contents of Green1 to Green2 on the same system, you will run the following command. Another option syncs recursively and preserves symbolic links, special and device files, modification times, groups, owners, and permissions. Run the same command as the previous example, this time using the following command. Please note that there is a trailing slash at the end of the first argument in the syntax of the previous two commands. This trailing slash signifies the contents of Green1. Without the trailing slash, Green1, including the directory, would be placed within Green2. Another tip is to double-check your arguments before executing an Rsync command. Run the following command. Now compare that output to the one you receive when removing the trailing slash, as in the following. This output now demonstrates that the directory itself was transferred, rather than only the files within the directory. To use the remote sync with a remote system, you only need SSH access configured between your local and remote machines, as well as the remote sync installed on both systems. Once you have SSH access verified between the two machines, you can sync the Green1 folder from the previous section to a remote machine by using the following syntax. You can check the Green1 directory was in the remote system. This process is called a push operation because it pushes a directory from the local system to a remote system. The opposite operation is pull and is used to sync a remote directory to the local system. Now, the Green1 directory was on the remote system. We will sync it to a directory on the local system. In this example, we will create the Green3 directory on the local system. After that, we will sync the Green1 directory on the remote system to the Green3 directory on the local system. Please note, like CP and similar tools, the source is always the first argument, and the destination is always the second.